Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math algebra problem, and here we have 32 to the power of n equals to square root of 16 into square root of 8. So here we find the value of n in this problem. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we find the prime factors of 32, and you know that we easily find the prime factors of 32 are, we first we divide it by 2 and you get 2 ones are 2 and we carry 1, and 2 6 are 12, and 2 8 is a 6, 2 4 are 8, and 2 2s are 4, and after that 2 ones are 2. So here we have the prime factors of 32 are 2 to the power of 5. So that here we write this 32 as 2 to the power of 5 and its whole power n equals to 16 square root of 16 into square root of 8. So here we use the nice exponential law, and according to this exponential law we rewrite the left hand side as, so here first we use this exponential law, a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So here you see that these are two exponents, so these are multiplied by each other, and we will get here 2 to the power of 5n equals to square root of 16 into square root of 8. So now here our target is to remove or eliminate these two square roots, so that in order to remove the square root we need to take the squares on both of the sides. So that here we take square on both of the sides, then we get square root of 16 into square root of 8 and its whole square. So after that we now cancel this square and square root, and you get here, so here we again use this exponential law, and according to this law we multiply these two exponents and we get 2 to the power of 10 times of n equals to, here we cancel the square root and you get 16 times of square root of 8. And now here you see that we have again square root of 8, so now we eliminate this square root, and in order to eliminate this square root we need to take the square on both of the sides, so that we will get its output in this form. And now here we again multiply these two exponents in the left hand side and we get 2 to the power of 20n equals to, here we separate the square on both of these terms and we get 16 square into square root of 8 into whole square. So that now we need to more simplifications here, and we get 2 to the power of 20n equals to, here we make the prime factors of 16, and we know that the prime factors of 16 are 2 to the power of 4 and its whole square into, here you cancelled these two and square root and we get here 8. And now here we again simplify this term and we get 2 to the power of 20n equals to, here we multiply these two exponents and we get 2 to the power of 8, and we make the prime factors of 8 are 2 to the power of 3. You know that the prime factors of 8 are 2 to the power of 3, so here you see that the bases of both of these terms are same, so here we use this exponential law, a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n equals to a to the power of m plus n. We use this exponential law in the right hand side of this equation, and we get 2 to the power of 20n equals to 2 to the power of 8 plus 3 is 11. And now you focus on both of the sides and you see that we have the bases on both of the sides are same, so we use here this exponential law, if we have a to the power of m equals to a to the power of n, then using this law we get m equals to n, because bases are same, so that its exponents are equal on each other. And here we equate the exponents and we write it as 20 times of n equals to 11. And here we easily find the value of n, and we move this 20 to the right hand side and we get n equals to 11 over 20. So this is the value of n. And now we check this value of n, is the value of n satisfies the given question or not. So that here we check this value here, and we have the given question statement is 32 to the power of n equals to square root of 16 into square root of 8, and we find the value of n is 11 over 20. So here we put the value of n in the left hand side, and we write it as, so here you see that we already make the prime factors of 32 are 2 to the power of 5. So we write it as 2 to the power of 5 and its whole power 11 over 20 equals to 16 times of square root of 8 and its whole square root. So here you see that this 5 fours are 20, and we obtain 2 to the power of 11 over 4. And in the right hand side we write this 16 as 2 to the power of 4 into, we write this 8 as 2 to the power of 3 and this square root, and we write this as the square root of 1 over 2. So here we apply this 1 over 2 on both of these terms, and we write it as 2 to the power of 2 into, here you get 2 to the power of 3 and its whole power 1 over 4. So here we get 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of 3 over 4. And when we add these two exponents, then you get here 2 to the power of 11 over 4. So in the left hand side we also have 2 to the power of 11 over 4. So this shows that x equals to 11 over 20 satisfies the given question statement. So it means that n equals to 11 over 20 be the only solution of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.